In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently identify and handle duplicate entries in your banking records. Duplicate entries in bank statements can muddle your financial management, leading to confusion and potential errors in budgeting or even tax reporting. Today, we'll look at some straightforward techniques to identify and address this common issue, starting with accessing your banking details. First, you'll want to access your bank account online or through your bank's mobile app. Make sure you have your login credentials handy and that you're accessing your records securely over a trusted internet connection. Once you are logged in, find the section where your transactions or bank statements are listed. This is usually labeled as transactions or history. Next, determine the time frame you wish to review. It's useful to start by looking at statements from the last month or the most recent period you're concerned with. This is because duplicates are easier to spot when you're dealing with recent transactions. The next step is to visually scan your bank entries and look for transactions that appear on the same date and have the exact same amount. Duplicate entries will often have identical information, so as you scroll through, focus on spotting these exact matches. This might sound tedious, but it's important to ensure no transaction is overlooked. If your list is particularly extensive, it might be overwhelming to sort through manually. In this case, banks often provide built-in filters which can be a huge help. These tools allow you to search and sort your transactions by date and amount, making the task of identifying duplicates much more manageable. By applying these filters, you can quickly narrow down your search to identical transactions. However, sometimes even these built-in capabilities aren't enough to tackle large data sets efficiently. This is where third-party apps come into play. Many financial management apps offer features specifically designed to identify duplicate transactions. They can automate the process and highlight what you need to look at, saving you both time and effort. Do make sure that any app you choose is reputable and secure, as you'll need to grant it access to your banking information for it to work effectively. Once the duplicates have been identified, you have a few options. For items directly on your bank statements, contact your bank if there are discrepancies you cannot account for. It's important to resolve these issues as soon as possible to prevent further complications down the line. In summary, addressing duplicate entries in your banking records involves a few critical steps: accessing your transactions, scrutinizing entries for identical dates and amounts, using built-in filters, and, if necessary, enlisting the help of third-party apps. Tending to these details ensures that your financial records remain accurate and that you maintain a clear and dependable overview of your financial status. Following these approaches will help you streamline your financial management, thereby reducing stress and enhancing your clarity in handling personal finance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful and insightful.